What is a course? A course in Moodle is basically a space on the Moodle site where one or more teachers can add learning resources and activities for their students. What your course might look like as a teacher will depend partly on the chosen theme and settings of your administrator. In the latest version of Moodle with the latest Boost theme, you can expect to see a collapsible navigation drawer on the left and a gear menu on the right. The main content area here is where the actual teaching and learning resources will be added. In Sam's practice course, they are numbered topics, which can be renamed. But if we look at a different course, on a different Moodle site, you can see that these are divided into weekly sections, and there are some blocks on the right. In another video, we will look at the use of these blocks. In order to add learning resources, you need to have the editing turned on. And with the Boost theme, you do this by clicking the gear top right and then clicking the link Turn Editing On. This then displays an edit menu next to each activity and resource for editing the settings, hiding, duplicating, deleting, etc. There is an announcement forum here, and if I wish to move it into a different section, I click the crosshairs icon and I can move it by dragging and dropping. If you aren't able to move by dragging and dropping, then ask your administrator to check your browser settings and the Moodle site settings. In order to add files, documents or activities for your students, you need to click the link Add an activity or resource in the section where you'd like them to appear. It doesn't matter if you choose the wrong section by mistake, because it's always possible to move them afterwards. When you click Add an activity or resource, this displays Moodle's Activity Chooser, which then allows you to choose what you would like to add, and we'll look at this in a separate video. If you don't see the link Add an activity or resource, ask your Moodle admin again to check your settings. In the next video, we look at how you can change the name and layout of your Moodle course.